When choosing an electric wheelchair for travel, weight, folding size, battery compliance, and car transport matter more than most people think. In this video, we'll go through the most important things to check before buying a travel electric wheelchair, including weight, folding design, battery, comfort, safety, and real-life portability.
Here we go, max speed. Woo! See ya. Hey, it's Dr. Monty here with Geeked Rehab. I want to showcase a new power wheelchair that I've recently come across that I think is really awesome. It has got to be one of the lightest power wheelchairs on the market right now. Turn it on. We're going to hit the light button. Actually, it's on right here. You can see it already. It's a blue light. On the back of it, it's got red brake lights on both sides. So if I make it move for a moment and then I let go of the joystick, it lights right up. Just as important as being seen is you being able to see where you're going, right? And they come out pretty easily. Just push this button here to release it, and it comes right out. Okay, that's the button I pushed. You can put it right back in and it just snaps like that.
G20 Pro. You guys might be familiar with the G10. That was one of the best-selling models in the entire world. It's super, super popular, and this is just an updated version of that. I've been absolutely obsessed with all of the features, including some really fun lighting that we're gonna check out. It's really got so many creature comforts, convenience, plus a really, really incredible range on a small, lightweight battery. Plus, this is incredibly easy to fold up, so it's going to be perfect for taking with you anywhere, whether you are just taking this, to the grocery store, the flea market, or you're taking it on a plane or a train. This is going to store easily in small spaces. It's also going to be comfortable and convenient. Plus, it is a very, very easy and intuitive to drive. There's even a manual mode in addition to the electric mode. It really has so many of the features that you're gonna want while being in a really, really ultralight package.
Features an ergonomic upgraded backrest to make you comfortable in the chair even if you're spending long hours in it. And the 24-volt, 12.5 amp hour battery can last you all day. And it's approved for both airline and cruise travel. Now the battery itself does add an extra 3 pounds, but even at 28 pounds total, it's still lighter than most power wheelchairs on the market. You can change the color of the side ambient lighting by holding down the headlamp button and the speed minus button for 5 seconds. So this will turn the headlamp on.
Headlight on.
Headlight off.
Headlight off.
And now we'll hold them both down together. And you'll hear a beep and it changes to green. We'll do that again. Now it changes to red. We'll do that again. It changes to blue. And then one more time. It changes back to purple. So you can choose whichever color that you like.
If you're looking for a lightweight, folding, travel-friendly electric wheelchair, the G20 Pro is one option worth comparing. You can check the details through the link in the description.